हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिस्टम एनालिसिस एंड डिज़ाइन में। सिस्टम एनालिसिस एंड डिज़ाइन का ये हमारा 6 बेसिकली एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ है जो कि सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल से जुड़ा हुआ है। तो अगर आपने सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल का साइड में अगर आपने पढ़ा हुआ होगा तो आपके लिए एमसीक्यूज बहुत ही आसान होगा। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in this phase of S.D.L.C, new or alternative information system are designed. In this phase of S.D.L.C, actually you have to be just search out the phase. So in this phase of S.D.L.C, new or alternative information system are designed. So preliminary investigation, system analysis, system design, system development. So obviously system design. So system design phase of the S.D.L.C new of the alternative information system are designed. Question number 2, the information system are considered to involved through what different level of the system? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 different level of the system. Take the next question. Question number 3, the final output of what stage of S.D.L.C in term of difference. Okay, so problem definition, feasibility studies, system analysis and system development. So answer is problem definitions. The final output of the problem definitions stage of SDL system of reference. So A is the right answer. Okay, question number 4, in order to obtain financing for the analysis phase, the system analyst must prepare a preliminary investigation report, justify the expense of upgrading, consider awarding of project, and train user to the new system. So A, prepare a preliminary investigation report in order to obtain finance for the analysis phase, the system analyst must. Okay, now take the next question. Question number 5, state whether the following statement are true. Okay, which statement are true? So okay, a conceptual model is no more than an idea. It's true. And DFD flow chart is a basic component of the logical model. This is also true. So both are true. So let's go with the both are true. Now take the next question. Question number 6, the key considerations involved in the feasibility study analysis is the key consideration involved in the feasibility study analysis. So economical, technical, behavior and all of them. Basically these all of the considered keys of the considered involvement in the feasibility study: economical, technical, behavior. The three all are the phase we have to do just analysis the project cost, economical view, technical expectation and behavior with the user. Okay, now go with the question number 7. After designing alternating system, the system analyst must. After designing an alternating system, the system analyst must prepare a system design report and diagram the system, prepare data flow diagram and select the best alternative. What is? So select the best alternative basically. Okay. Now after designing alternative system, the system analyst must select the best alternative. Question number 8, a what system design necessarily include understanding the follow-up information, logical and processing the input-output relationship. Okay, conceptual, logical, physical and practical. What? So logical. A logical system design necessarily include understanding the flow of information. Okay, the flow of information is the logical and logical processing input-output relationship. Now take the next question. Question number 9. In feasibility study, the feasibility will only consider the cost-benefit analysis of the proposed project, obviously economic. Okay. And question number 10. The first step of system development is to purchase or custom design. The first step of system development to purchase or custom design. So software, network, hardware and training material. So software, the first step of system development, purchase of software. Question number 11, The what system model can be tested and implemented, which consists of programs, data files and documentations. Okay, so conceptual, logical, physical and practical. So obviously physical, the physical system model can be tested, implemented, which consists of program, data files and documentations. Question number 12. Okay, so fundamental activity involved in the system analysis are, so first, definition of overall system, yes, and separation of the system into small and manageable parts, yes, and finding programming error in the existing system, and this is not. So first and second only. Okay, so go with A. Now next question, question number 13. The old and new system runs side by side. The old and new system run side by side for a period of time when using the what approach to implementation? Direct, parallel, phase and pilot. Okay, so parallel. The old and new system run side by side for a period of time when using the parallel approach to implementation. Question number 14. In what stage? Okay, in what stage of S.D.L.C training of the user staff, system documentation and implementation are done? So options are system development, system implementation, system analysis and system development. So system implementations, basically this is the right answer, and in system implementation stage of S.D.L.C training the user staff, system documentation and implementation are done. So implementation time, this is basically training of user staff, system documentation. Okay, now take the next question, question number 15. Some of the tools which are available with the system analyst. Okay, so first, second, third and fourth, this is four actually tools. Yes, we'll discuss regarding this. So you have to be just choose what exactly tools which are available for with the system analysis. Okay, so just read it. Review of documentations. Okay, review of documentations, yes. Observation of the situations, definitely yes. Conducting interview, yes. And questionnaire administrations, it's also actually all 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go with the D is the right answer. Okay, next question, question number 16. The implementation approach is preferred. What the implementation approach, what is preferred when there are many peoples in an organizations performing similar operations? So direct, parallel, phase and pilot. So implementation approach, pilot is the preferred when there are many peoples at the organization performing similar operations. Question number 17. In what stage? Okay, in what stage of S.D.L.C the statement of scope and objective, opportunity and performance criteria are prepared? Okay, in what stage of S.D.L.C the statement of scope and objective, in opportunity and performance criteria are prepared? So A, problem definitions, B, feasibility studies, C, system analysis, and D, system development. So A, problem definitions. In problem definition stage of the S.D.L.C statement, scope and objective, opportunities and performance criteria are prepared. Okay, now question number 18. The final output of phase of S.D.L.C is a functional specification report of the existing system. The final output of what phase of S.D.L.C is a functional specification report of the existing system. So options are problem definitions, feasibility study, system analysis and system development. So system analysis. The final output of system analysis phase of S.D.L.C is a functional specification report of the existing system. Okay, question number 19. State whether the following statement are true or false. Okay, so a statement, two statement, and you have to be choosing what is true and which is false. Okay, so The final step in the preliminary investigations is to create an organizational chart. This is gathering data information in the first step of system analysis can be achieved through conducting interview and doing observation. Yeah, this is right. So first false is second true. C is the right answer. Now take a question number 20. In what stage of S.D.L.C refined and tuned system is prepared along with the revised documentation and satisfies user? So options are system development, system implementation, post implementation and maintain the reviews, and system development. So obviously C in post implementation and maintain the review stage of S.D.L.C refine and tune system is prepared and revise documentation and satisfy users. So एस्पायरेंट आई होप आपको आज हमारा S.D.L.C का जो प्रिपेयर करके हमने आपके लिए 20 क्वेश्चंस का सीरीज दिया हुआ है वो बेसिकली S.D.L.C से रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चन है उसके रिगार्डिंग में और भी वीडियोस पिछले जारी की है। तो अगर आप उन चीज़ों को फॉलो करते रहेंगे तो S.D.L.C से जो भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे आप उन क्वेश्चंस को 100% आप कर लेंगे, क्योंकि ये अलग अलग रिसोर्सेज के थ्रू हमने क्वेश्चंस को लिया हुआ है। तो आई होप दैट इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. So thanks for watching our videos. So please like and subscribe and share.